then assembly, okay, or there is what will be total solution, okay. So this one, do you do design?
No.
No, okay.
We
You do
just
fabrication.
fabricate.
And assembly. Some jobs you get only fabricate,
Yes.
right? What is the percentage?
90%.
90%.
90%.
Fabricate. Okay.
Yes.
How many of these 90% are fabricate and assembly?
Fabricate and assembly here it's 90%. Just 10% is assembly just for the water turbines. You
Okay,
know?
so 10% is only for assembly, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now my question for you is here now. Okay. We'll use 80-20 concept. Okay. So what is the percentage of rejection coming? Rejection means that you are when you cut. We'll go layman technique. When you cut the steel, there will be extra steel coming out. So what is the percentage of the steel?
Waste.
Waste.
Yes.
It's depends of the how to say our organization. Some parts they have more than 15%.
Okay. Yes.
Waste.
Okay.
But if we organize
Yes.
2-3 projects in the same time,
Right.
we have a smaller demand of that
Except
percentage.
this is known in your industry like this. But how much of your projects will be double project? You do different projects at one time. Do you arrange? Do your sales people or marketing people manage to arrange 2 projects to be double system?
Yes. It's
How much of your project will be always double, so that you'll have all your staff? Because if you put me in on a shift, you want to utilize me most of the time as a labor.
Yes.
Your major cost is what? How much is labor cost percentage?
It's not exact, you know.
Yeah.
Because
Approximately.
I don't.
Compare.
It's not possible to have.
When you calculate your costing,
Yes.
calculate your costing.
I'm not prepared for that kind of questions.
I know.
You are
Right.
professors and that.
This
kind
is-
of
no,
stuff.
no, no.
You know,
I'm not professor, I'm practitioner. I'm just asking
professional.
simple
You
questions.
are prepared for this meeting. I have not.
Okay.
And that
So
kind of-
this
I
is
don't-
our
that kind of
questions.
thing.
Maybe I want to answer later, not necessarily today. Today only, just to tell you how we'll ask
You know,
what is the data.
Sometimes we buy every part
Yes.
from the cooperants.
Right.
Laser cutting and that kind of stuff.
Yes.
In that kind of stuff we have something like sometimes 30% labor,
Mhm.
but sometimes we don't have anything, just pre-packing,
Yes.
It's just one piece goes with the others and goes as a complete,
Yes.
And that's very difficult to. Sometimes is nothing, and sometimes
But
it's
you
50%.
know, my friend, when you calculate the cost, I'm sure you are
We calculate every project
Right.
for itself.
So do you now do you estimate where you make more profit? Do you make your profit from assembly only,
More
or you make
profit-
profit when you do fabrication and assembly? And what type of assembly and fabrication products that will you make more profit? Your return on your
I understand
return
what you.
capital
I
employed, yes.
understand what you. We have more profit from the assembly because we have low cost.
Yes. Yeah.
Because you don't have how to say invest anything that work.
Right,
Your
but-
hands and your smart.
But assembly is not guaranteed always, right?
No.
Yes.
But
So what makes your sustainability? What makes your profit?
Combine.
Combine. So-
Combine with the fabrication.
Right.
is-
What you want to
that's
be
your
known at in the world? You want to be combined, right? Not only assembly.
No, not so. We want to in our plans.
Yes.
We want to have something of our own.
Yes.
Our own product.
Yes. It means design.
Design,
Fabricate,
fabrication,
yes.
assembly.
This is the
Assembly.
best. This is what is the
This
German.
is the full story.
The German
for that-
product.
For all that steps, you must have
Okay.
time and money.
Okay. So
you
can
know,
we agree
for
on
the-
something? Don't we have any simple products that we can design, fabricate, and assemble? At least one product or 2 products. Your own. What's your company name? CJ. What is CJ can do in 2017 that it will have its own product, design, fabricate, and assemble? Okay, this is maybe one of the goals. Okay.
Yeah.
Just I'll tell you where the ideas where inspiration economy will work. Okay.
We work on that, but
Yes.
it's one or two different ways, you know, and we must decide which way we will
Well,
go.
this is where we decide from the data. We cannot decide by secondary data. So we need data. What are the designs that we can do, first of all? Okay.
Yes.
We see the design and we brought our own team and we said, okay, we can do this simple design. Okay. This is where the designs we can start with. We'll start with the easy designs. Okay. But when it comes to fabrication and assembly, I'll make sure that I'll have always 90%, as you said, from my products will be, and I will minimize the rejection. Because for fabrication, if you are saying 15% is too much.
Yeah.
Okay? And the usual no, we're talking about 3%. Okay? And maximum 5%
Yeah, 3 to
in your
5.
type of
the
industry.
production,
Okay?
yeah.
I did, by the way, many steel, but I'm trying to avoid my knowledge. I'm just telling you this layman how they concepts.
Understand.
Yes. Okay. So again, here the rejection rate will be and the type of rejection, the type of cutting, whether it's angle, it's L shape, it's all these things. From we'll go there and we'll manage what are the things. Because by the way, we can minimize rejection by even design, isn't it? So the better we have the design, instead of getting customer design, which is called push system, we'll use the pull system. We'll do the design for the customer, and we'll put our engineers when they do design with the customer so that we minimize the waste, and we give the customer better yield also for them. So yield for me and for them. It's win-win situation. Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. Yeah. Now, what is your return on capital employed? Approximately how much your return on investment? Okay. Simple.
Return of investment.
Yes. Percentage. Let's
Until
say you put
now
one.
or
Today you put $1. How much you get?
it's maybe 10 to 15%.
Okay.
You know, or that 10 to 50%.
10 to 15%. Is it depending
The
on the
net?
type of the machine, or is it depending on the customer? Is it
Yeah.
depending on the
I
product you
didn't
produce?
understand that.
Is it depending on the product you produce, or depending on whether it's German customer and Australian customer?
Jel se vraćanje tih sredstava odnosi na mašine, to jest na proizvode ili na tržište, recimo Njemačku, Austriju i tako dalje? Znači, jel bolje prodajete i bolje imate uslove za prodaju i dobit u drugim zemljama ili se odnosi na mašine?
For example.
Mi znači ne završavamo sve stvari, znači mi radimo dijelove. I mi znači svaki taj naš dio.
Na engleski pričam.
Let me give you example, sir.
Lako je to reći.
Let me give you example for the sake of time. Let me give you example. If you're on your boilers, do you get 10 from your boilers or from your crane related products?
We have more from the boilers. No, that's because
This is supposed to be. Why you should have more?
because the material is from our customer.
Okay.
It's not our material.
Okay.
So it depends.
It's
The
ours.
You mean the stainless steel from your customer?
No.
The design from your customer?
Yeah,
The
design.
material from you?
Some from the customer, some
Okay.
from us.
So if the boiler is more, why shouldn't I, as sales, try to market myself in the boiler area, whereas my return on investment will be higher? Why should I continue? When I started, I wanted to see all the variety, right?
Yes, yes.
Because one of the strengths is variety. You are having variety of products.
Mhm.
But if you notice in the long run, having more variety in the beginning is very good for you because you are building your capacity. But with time, if you continue variety, what to do? You'll have a drop.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? If you don't specialize in certain type of products, you cannot continue to improve. Okay?
I understand that.
Yes.
Znači, ako se ne specijaliziramo, znači što više širimo, može se dogoditi.
And your rejection rate will increase, by the way. By the way, the rejection rate,
To je jasno.
the more you go for a variety in the end, in the beginning it's okay because you are learning. But with time, the rejection rate also will be increasing.
Možete vi njemu kratko objasniti
Možeš,
samo
da.
našu situaciju?
Ja.
Recimo.
Recite vi njemu ovako, mi iz ništa stvaramo nešto. Mi smo osuđeni trenutno zadnjih 20 godina da radimo ono što nam daju.
Okay, možda se sad ja
Ajde.
He was saying that they are making from nothing something.
Yes.
So they don't have anything and
Yes.
they produce certain
Very
things.
good. And first of all, I would like to clap for this. We are very proud to have this product in Bosnia, but we want to make it more successful.
Ako se bude, orijenti su samo na jednog kupca. U tom
Mhm.
slučaju sam osuđen na propast ako on propadne. Zato se moram orijentisati na 10 kupaca.
Okay, if they focus on just on one customer, they probably will fall down and will not succeed. So
No,
that's
I
why
will not
they
say
are choosing
focus.
different
No, no, it's okay. Variety is very
variety,
important.
of course.
Ja?
One of the secret of competition is variety.
Okay. Šta je rekao?
Jedno tajni, znači
Uspjeha jeste raznolika. Znači,
Raznolika.
ok što imate više kupaca, to je ok. Znači,
But you
više
shall
izbora.
suppose with time you have to segregate certain SBUs, strategic
Yeah.
business units. So boiler will be a main source, not only variety.
Ja vam samo želim reći da vi ne možete samo imati jedan izbor, kao što sad, evo, spomenuli smo slučajno ovaj slučaj. Znači, više kako biste fokusirali se na sva polja. Znači, da ne bude, da ste samo se na jedno fokusirali.
Ali u jednom trenutku je
Because
potrebno
otherwise stay in the same level. It will be always small SME.
Ja ne znam kako da se
Yani
izrazi.
small business, not they cannot grow to be large business and brand. You know?
Da, i zbog toga ne možete na postavke
Gledajte jednu stvar, mi proizvodimo za svakog od tih naših kupaca otprilike iste stvari. Razumijete što ovdje kaže, znači mi se nismo fokusirali sad na puno različitih stvari, već na puno različitih kupaca, ali oni traže iste stvari od nas, od sličke iste, slične.
Okay, for each of these customers that he was talking about, they produce the similar or the exact products. So they don't, they have a variety of products for different companies. So they have the, as you were saying, rainbow of all the opportunities that they are presenting to others. That's why they are
Anyway, this is
successful.
by the way, this is the only.
specialize.
Okay,
in
anyway,
some part.
this is my solution for you. Just I
Yeah, I
will stop you.
understand that. It's no problem.
Later
Now
you
it's
can
problem.
Yes.
Recite mu samo još, mi pokušavamo doći nekako do svog proizvoda. Da imamo svoj proizvod da plasiramo na tržištu.
They are trying to find their own product to give it to the market. So they are trying to design their own product
Da imamo zaokruženo, da imamo zaokruženo ovo sve što. Međutim, tako nešto zahtjeva ogromne investicije.
See, you have to move from what I say, push thinking to pull thinking. You have to be selective in which type of products you're gonna capitalize on more.
Znači ideš sa tim, znači trebaš u jednom trenutku pogled u kojem pravcu, koji proizvod ćeš.
This is called lean thinking.
Znači ideš prema tom dijelu.
This is called lean thinking, by the way. So, if you want to make more profit, this is how the Japanese they move their product to be more successful than Americans.
Mi jesmo imali viziju i najlakše bi nam bilo krenuti za biomasu, recimo da pokušamo na našem tržištu, te probiti kao proizvođač peći na biomasu, jer imamo problem ovdje na našem tržištu, imamo svoje drvo, a kupujemo naftu izvana i grijemo se s njom. Mada bi trebali na biomasu da se grijemo. I to je bio naš cilj, jer samo kad bi mogli pokriti pola bosanskog tržišta, za nas bi to bilo dovoljno. Međutim, jednostavno, opet se vraćamo na istu stvar, za takvu jednu stvar nam je investicija od 1 do 2, 3 milijuna eura, zavisi od u kojem obimu krećemo, je potrebno za to. A mi se borimo za 100.000 eura ili 200.000 maraka svakodnevno, da li ću imati para da kupim materijal za sljedeći posao.
So he was talking about that if they wanted to make some product, as he was talking about the pitch. Boilers that are used on biomass. He wanted to make that kind of product, but you have to have let's say 1 million to 2 million euros to start the production. So, and they are fighting for, let's say, 100,000 euros to have here as a capital. So
Okay, but life does not work like this, sir. Life works by step, okay?
Step
So
by step.
No, 1 million.
Step.
No, 1 million not necessarily. I don't agree. I can agree that boiler. Let's say now, if I start to sell boiler in a hospital, okay, or put it in a, for example, in a university or large or in the airport, it is my brand. I can capitalize on this much more than doing many boilers. Okay.
We tried that. We have a plan for do that.
Yes.
5 years ago.
And this is where you can align.
In our hospital.
See, we need to play symphony.
We didn't.
Right, we need to play symphony, which
Too many
means
players.
kaže, vezano za ove...
ولازم أوصل
دكتور هم يعتمدون على الديماند بيز هم مو سبلاي بيز تحول سبلاي بيز البول جيم يتغير كامل ها
مع الوقت ينتهون بسرعة.
الديماند قصدك؟
إيه.
اذا لا الديماند مالهم is this catalog I think. If they are niche in these then they have a niche. انت صح كلامك niche بس in certain product اذا هم دخلوا على سبلاي الورك متغير وايد اكسبنسيف الاوفرهيد مالهم وايد بيرتفع.
لا بس هو لازم يحدد وين يسوي البويلر، اي انواع من البويلر، مو كل انواع البويلر. Jasmina, the project will be, I will suggest if there is a project, if they are interested and they have a need, the project will be in two ways. First of all, the one project is about what type of all the process, okay, which we call it total solution, okay?
Okay.
This one project, this is the project number one, okay? The same week, the same week. Project number two is the minimizing rejections, okay? Okay, through alignment between symphony, okay? Between marketing, sales, and production, okay? They play symphony, so alignment, okay? So that's what number three is finding the VSU which is relevant to that I can really compete with. For example, designing boilers or selling boilers or manufacturing fabricating boilers relevant to a specific type of industry. For example, either in hospital or either specific boilers, not any boilers. Okay. So this is where you can. Yes. خلاص you have that.
We have a plan. We
This
have
is
a
your
plan.
خلاص.
We have solution, but we don't have a partner for that.
Okay.
The city hospital have our how to say plan,
Yes.
and we specify how much they low costs with our boilers.
Right.
And everything money stays in here, USK, you know?
Yes.
Because they spend, I don't know, 2-3 million marks every year for heating by oil.
Yes.
They are import oil.
Yes.
We don't make oil.
Yes.
But here we have biomass.
Yeah.
But they don't think like that.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Right. But
We have solution, but we don't have a partner from the other side. We have one of that boiler here, you know.
يعني we see ولو يلاحظوا ان كل اللي لاحظه هو سيم تافتك اللي هو شنو اللوم على الاخر. انا ما عندي مشكله، انا جاهز بس الاخر، وهذه مشكله العالم كله اللي هو ما عنده مشكله، مشكلته بالاخر.
خليه يفكر انه شوي يحصل
بس هو يبيع
اذا قالت حل هالمشكله لازم نحلها دكتور. هالمشروع حل هالمشكله شلون يحصل له بارتنر بيقنعهم بالبرودكت.
We shall go downstairs to see the production.
ما نتخبى.
We have to go downstairs to see the production and then go on.